stimulation. From in Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, Sukadeva Goswami Pad, before he also explained about Krishna's childhood pastimes and others. But in this pastime, Sukadeva Goswami Pad did not mention name of any gopis. You understand? Vatsalaras Katha, Sakharas Katha, he explained. But he did not mention any gopis name or any gopis Katha, nothing. Though Krishna Lila is eternal and transcendental. But here Ananda Vrindavan Champu, Gopal Champu, others granthas, and very clearly explain the Krishna Lila is two types of Krishna Lila. One is called Milan, another is called Viraha. Milan means meeting and separation. Viraha Milan Lila Katha. Sukadeva Goswami Pad, when he is to speak about Gopis Katha, this is true. His heart always absorbs in Vrindavan and especially the same mood of the Gopis. But when Sukadeva Goswami Pad, he remembered Gopis, especially Srimati Radhika, Lalita, Vishakha, then his heart melted. He felt pang of separation from them. For this regard, he hid everything in his heart. But now, Sukadeva Goswami have to open his heart. Because our Shastra is saying this way, if you speak many katha, tattva, siddhanta or others katha, but if you not speak the pastimes of gopis, that is called incomplete. Those who are Rasik Vaishnavas, they always absorbed in Krishna's gopis pastimes. How Krishna performed sweet lila with the gopis. Even Krishna himself told to Arjuna, Hey Arjuna, when I remember my Rasla Katha with the gopis, that time I cannot control myself. Santi Jaddapi, though I have many leelas, Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya, Leela, even Madhurya Leela also there. But when I remember gopis, their love and affection with me, and especially my Rasa Leela Katha, I can't to control myself. So that means Krishna's topmost Leela, that is called Rasa Leela Katha. But before speaking Rasa Leela Katha, he is thinking, I have to speak about some Uddipan Katha. Uddipan means stimulation. Because our Shastra explains this way, you have to speak anything, need four things. What are the four things? Who is translating? Oh, Tarun, translate. No need cook. Why cooking? Listen Hari Katha. What cooking? Need translator, good translator. Kripa is good. but she speaks express very nice. Huh? Good or no? Huh? Because who knows slok something, he can explain nicely. Huh? Understand? So what this regard, I give chance to her, to Upapraparvi, to explain. Huh? So now coming in this way, what did I say? Four things. That is called Desa, Kalo, Patra, and Sthan. Sthan means place. Des means the country. Actually, Krishna's many incarnation lila, avatar lila, different place. This is true. Understand? As like Nisringadev Bhagavan, his pastimes not in Vrindavan. Ramchandra's and Krishna is not different from Ramchandra, but Ramchandra he performed his lila in Ayodhya. Why am I saying? Because Krishna's lila should be only Vrindavan. You understand? So that is called Desa. Desa means that place. Desa. Kal means time. Time is what? Krishna performed his sweet lila mostly in autumn season or another spring season. And Sarat Ritu and Basanta Kal. Understand? Though Krishna performs his lila in different Kal, time, but is mostly he performs sweet lila in his which time? Sarat Kal. Sarat Kal means autumn season. And or another Basanta Kal. Basanta Kal means spring season. Today also is very super excellent auspicious day because today is called Pusha Jatra, Krishna's Pusha Nakshatra Jatra. Pusha means the Poush Mass finished. Now going to enter in Magha Mass. So Krishna this Lila, Ras Lila also called Poush Sankranti Ras Lila. But Krishna's topmost lila actual, I also explain this way too. One is Sarat Kalin lila, another Basant Kalin lila. These things. Understand? Very important. Basant lila. Srila Sukadeva Goswami Srimad Bhagavatam described about Krishna's Sarat Kalin Ras Lila. That is called autumn season Rasa Lila. Or Srila Jayadev Goswami Pad described Krishna's Basanta Kalin Rasa Lila. Basanta means spring season Rasa Lila. Though Krishna's many Rasa Lila, that is called Nitya Lila, Nitya Ras. Every day Krishna also performing Rasa Lila, Seva Kunja, Nitya Ras every day. Every Purnima, Krishna also performs sweet Rasa Lila. But his true Rasa Lila is very important. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad and others, our Goswami, they also very nicely described Krishna different Rasa Lila Katha. So now coming the Des Kal. Kal means time. Which time is the best for Krishna's sweet Rasa Lila Katha? Phala. Manusya. Are Sarat Kalin. Kal, Sarat Kal. Autumn. 2 times I told you, forget. And another spring season, Basantakalin. This called Patra Patri. Those who are acting this role, who are acting this role in this Raslila? Krishna and gopis. Not all gopis. Understand? Understand? Those gopis are very fat. That gopi no. Just a joke. Is it true of you? Because they are fat, how do they dance? Huh? No, they will go where? Where the what do you call? They are jogging. What is it called? Gym. Then they will become very skinny. Otherwise, fat, they then cannot dance. Are very skinny also not. Those are very skinny. Skinny means? Magrin. Because they are very skinny and they cannot also dance. Then after a few minutes, so Jogman not arrange. Jogman not and allow to them. Why am I saying this? Actually, Sukdev Goswami was saying this same katha. Just I little bit giving some mirch masala. But this is true. So for this regard, they are saying this word and Krishodari. They are use this word Krishodari. Krisha, Udari, Krishodari. Those gopis are not too fat and not too skinny. Understand? That is called Patli Kamarwali Gopi. They are also, what is called? Waist, little bit skinny. Very beautiful that. So now coming in this way, for this, use this word Krishodari. Krisha, Udari, Krishodari. Those gopis, what is called? Slender waist. And very beautiful and attractive. So that gopi, and young very well, not old not. How older age should be? How older? Not more than 14 years old. Maximum 14 years. Actually, this gopi is 9 years to 14. 14 this is what? Understand? So, and they are going to be very beautiful and good. This. Okay, so this called a patra. Patra means only Krishna, one patra. Patra means male person. Akela Purush Krishna Arsha Vritta. Jare Jai Chena Chai Taich Kare Nitta. So, young gopis, Krishodari, very beautiful and attractive. So now coming in this way, Des Kal Patra, Patri, and another what did he say? Sthan. Sthan means place. What is the place? Vrindavan. Only Vrindavan. Or Vrindavan, which place? Topmost place? And on the bank of Radha Kunda. Too many places, Krishna. Seva Kunja, Nidhuvan, Nikunjavan. And understand? Also the lap of Giriraj, Govardhan. And there is a Basanti Raslila. And Vrindavan, what is called? Bansi Bhat. And this is also good place. But topmost place that is called Radha Kunda. Well, why? Radha Kunda means is what? Only Sapaksha gopis, they can go. That means those who are one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Radha Sakhis, they can go. And even those who are Chandravali Sakhis, Jogmaya, stop them. Who wants to go side to Chandravali? Raise one hand. Raise one hand? No one. Understand? Jogmaya will be stop. Even Jatila Kutila, they can't also go there. The May Jatila Kutila can go which place? Surya Kunda, Bhandir Bhat, they can go. But Radha Kunda, only Srimati Radhika's Sapaksha, Lalita, Visakha, Rupanjali, these things. So I am saying, because step by step you can see the place. Before I could have this and place not same thing. This means Vrindavan, whole Vrindavan. Understand? Country. Or place, particular place is where? On the bank of Radha Kunda. Though other place also, Sukadeva Goswami Path explained as this. Autumn season Krishna performed Ras dance on the bank of the Jamuna. This Leela also there. Jamuna puline kadamba kanone ki herinu sokhiyaj. Jamuna puline kadamba kanone ki herinu sokhiyaj. Sama bangsi dhari mani mancha pori lila kore rasaraja. Sama dhari mani mancha pori lila kore rasaraja. Ar ashtadala pori Sri Radha Sri Hori Ashtasakhi Porijanam. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur very nicely sang this song. How is beautiful Vrindavan, and where Jogmaya nicely manifested the Vrindavan. Jamuna Puline Kadamba Kanane, on the bank of Jamuna, and very nice proof, nice Kadamba forest. Which Kadamba? Kadamba trees also different types, not one type of Kadamba trees. Another Kadamba full, you will see very nice, beautiful, yellow color, big this. Understand this? Or another Kadamba is small. Understand these things? That Kadamba is called Edi Kadamba. So Vrindavan, now see the Kadamba, Jamuna Pulime Kadamba Kanani ki dekhun sakhiyaj. Sama Bangsi Dhari Mani Manchapari Lila Kare Rasaraj. Sama Bangsi Dhari, Krishna holds the beautiful his Bangsi, flute. Sama Bangsi Dhari Mani Manchapari Lila Kare Rasaraj. Jogmaya Purnamasi Devi, Jogmaya. She arranged very nice, beautiful, golden platform. You know, mancha, understand? What is the mancha? Follow. As like big sing, where they are very famous singer. When you see, very nice, beautiful platform, little bit higher from the audience, and about 3-4 feet higher. So in the same way, Jogmaya she arranged very nice, beautiful platform. In the middle platform, as like lotus, blossom lotus, Mani Manchapari, very nice, beautiful Radha Govinda, this thing, and surrounded, and 8 Sakhis, they are Lalita, Visakha, Sudevi, Rangadevi, Tungavidya, and in these 8 Sakhis are 8 also lotus blossom, one big lotus, In the middle of the lotus there is Karnika, Radha Govinda is there, Radha Krishna is there. Or then 8 corners, 8 Sakhis, Lalita, Vishakha. There's one very nice, beautiful golden lotus. On the golden lotus, also 8 Sakhis are there. Then, little bit far, then all Sakhis, Ashta Sakhis, they are also group. Lalita group, what is it called? Vishakha, Sudevi, all their group in there. And there are also Manjaris, and which Manjaris they are servicing under guidance of which Sakhis. The Jogmansi arrange everything. Very nice. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur sing this. Jabuna puline kadamba kanone ki herinu sokhiyaj are sama bansi dhari mani mancha pari নীলা করে রসরাজ অষ্টদল পরি শ্রী রাধা শ্রী হরি অষ্টসখী পরিজনম or this one Krishna Lila Pasravanam. How is Krishna Lila is going on? Very nice, beautiful this. As like very nice, beautiful, what is called? Water falling. And there are many streams are going on this way. Understand this way. Then what is saying? Krishna Lila Sudha Pasravan. And then Krishna Kali Sudha Pasravan Ashtadala Pari Sri Radha Sri Hari Ashtasaki परिजन सुगीत नर्तन सब सखीजन तुसीचे जुगल धने कृष्ण लीला हेरी प्रकृति सुंदरी विस्तारीचे स्वभाव बने. दिस इज कॉल्ड उद्दीपन विभाग. अकॉर्डिंग टू कृष्ण लीला देन प्रकृति सुंदरी माने नेचर very nicely manifested. Many kadamba trees, different trees. Understand? There is a mango trees. Mango trees also different. Mango trees also. Understand? There are different trees. And Arjuna, Kavida, or is called. Many names in there. Srimad Bhagavatam mentioned this. So now coming to very nice, beautiful this place. Why I am speaking? Because Krishna performs Rashla with the gopis. So actually, why I am saying? Because Sukdev Goswami Pad, he have to speak this katha. But Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto, 1st chapter to 19th chapter, a 20 chapter, and he spoke Krishna's different pastimes. Krishna's childhood pastimes. Krishna performed sweet lila with his friends. Sakha lila, Vatsalya lila, Dasa lila. Ittam stang brahma sukhanuvittam dasangatanang paradaivateno mayasitanang nardarakeno sarthang vijahu kritapunna punya. You know this look? Who knows? Fala, português.
Esse verso significa assim que então Santa Brahma Sukha no Buddha, que tem gente que quer se fundir em Brahma e acha que isso tem a felicidade realmente, né? E essas pessoas vão ver que Deus é simplesmente uma refulgência. E quem está, por exemplo, quem está em Dasyabhava vê o Senhor Supremo como Deus, né? Bhagavan é todo opulento. Quem está, por exemplo, sob a influência de Maya vai achar que Deus é uma pessoa comum. Mas qual é a fortuna desses sakas, desses amigos de Krishna? Que tipo de puna eles fizeram de atividade piedosa? Porque esses amigos de Krishna eles estão ali intimamente brincando com Krishna e acham que Krishna é seu amigo e se relacionam com ele dessa forma. E Krishna que é o Senhor Supremo.
Dasangatanang paradaivatena mayasita nardarukena. Those are completely illustrated by Maya. They are thinking Krishna is an ordinary cowherd boy. Maya Nardarukena. Shardang Bijuhu Kritapunna Punja. Or Subal Siddham, how they are great fortune. They always staying with Krishna, playing, embracing, kissing, and taking his remnants and also feeding their own remnants to Krishna. Understand this? This is the reality. Why I'm saying? Because Sukadeva Goswami Pad, he explained the Sakha Leela's Katha, Vatsalya Leela Katha also. How Mother Jasoda see nourishment to Krishna. This Katha also there. Though Krishna is Bhagavan, Mother Jasoda, she bind to Krishna with small rope. And that rope is what? For her own, what is called? And what is called? Bread binding the rope. Understand? Sometimes ladies, they put the one small rope and binding their hair. Now you are putting some elastic or you are putting. You are using and putting over here. Doing one very nice, what do you call it? Elastic. Maybe decorate. They are putting. But in Braj Gopis, that time they also use the, what is it called? Small rope. And tie the hair, then decorate this. So I am saying, because Mother Jasoda, she bind to Krishna with her and binding the rope of his hair. And how possible? Krishna is Bhagavan. Namaste tu damne spurudipti namne. Namo radhikavi tadiya priyai namananta lila devaya tubhyam. Satyavrata Manusa. How Mother Jasoda, she bind to Krishna with her small rope, which also binding for her bread. And here, actually, Jogmaya she arranged this way. Tattva darshan this. And another is a Dishtva Parisramam Kripasi Sabandhane. Mother just when Krishna noticed Krishna's Mother Jasoda's these types of endeavors and sweat dropping, then Krishna's, you think I will not give so much pain to my mother. Then Krishna himself binded. And so Dishtva Parisramam Kripasit Sabandhane. This is another tattva. Or Madhurya tattva, philosophy is what? Mother Jasoda, she bind to Krishna with her Vatsalya Prem. This thing. In this way, Sukadeva Goswami Pad described all this katha. Many Krishna's Leela katha. But Sukadeva Goswami Pad is thinking, time already passed. 10th canto, 1st chapter to 20th chapter describe this katha. But his mind is very absorbed. When I will speak about the Gopis katha. You understand this? So for this regard, when come in the 21st chapter, Ekabhinsati Adhyaya. What is it? Ekabhinsati, the man, 21 chapter. And that time Sukadeva Goswami Pad cannot tolerate. He completely lose his own patience. What patience? Yeah, I have to speak. Which katha? Gopis katha. But so for this regard, here also explained this way. First, Sukadeva Goswami Pad explained Gopis Viraha katha. That is called Venu Gita. And Gopal Champu, Anand Vrindavan Champu, other granthas very clearly explain this way. Now Gopis little bit now grew up. Understand this way. So for this regard, their parents stop to them and directly meet with Krishna. This is called Indian Vedic culture also. And when your baby small, can mix together, they are playing, dancing, this is no problem. When they will be little bit grew up and understand, and that time their parents stop to them to mixing together. No. Their parents told, hey, now you are a little bit young. So you should not freely meet with Krishna and Sakhas. Before Krishna and his Sakhas Gopis are mixing together. Different, they are playing. This way. As a small baby, they are playing. Even that time they have no bodily conception. They are not thinking I am girl or I am boy. Understand this? They are completely innocent. Nirbodha. They have no idea. Just they meeting together. Or Kali Yuga. Even the small baby, they also are stupid nonsense. Because too much Maya coming. Understand these things. And automatically there are bodily conception coming. You understand these things. So now, but in Braj, they have no bodily. They have no bodily conception. They have no. But according to the rules and regulation of the society, understand? And that time, their parents told, okay, girls should be, they will play with themselves, and boys should be play with themselves, not mixed together. And when their parents, Gurujana, told this, that time Gopis, they felt pang of separation from Krishna. Because from their childhood, they completely absorbed with Krishna. Because their prem is called, what is their prem? Shatasiddha prem, spontaneous. That is called Shatasiddha prem. And sometimes I will also explain a little bit. The prem manifested in 3 ways. One is called, what did you say? Darshan Jata Prem, Shravan Jata Prem, and Shatasiddha Prem. Darshan Jata Prem means when taking darshan to Krishna, that then prem manifested in their heart. That is called Darshan Jata Prem. Who is the example? Voila. You read my Jewels of the Heart or not? Kubja. You are right. Who is speaking? You? Read. You read this Jewels of the Heart, everything explained. All Goswami is going to collect it. Kubja. And Shravan Jata Prem. Shravan means listening the glorification of Krishna. Prem manifested one's heart. Who is the example? Rukmini. Rukmini's marriage ceremony was going to Sisupal. And her brother and arranged Rukmini's marriage ceremony with demand Sisupal. And almost next morning she will be married with Sisupal. But that night, before marriage night, Narada Rishi came, and Narada Rishi glorified about Krishna's beauty and Krishna's Saurja Virja, and very powerful and beautiful Katha. When heard the glorification of Krishna, then Rukmini, she wrote one letter to Krishna, and later sent to Krishna and through one Brahmana. Then Krishna kidnapped Rukmini, that is called Rukmini Haran Lila Katha. Srimad Bhagavatam described. But this Rukmini, this prem manifested listening, glorification of Krishna. That is called Shravan Jata Prema. Now coming, this is the Satasfurta Prem. That is called gopis. There are no reason. Spontaneously, the prem manifested in their heart. From their birth. Janmagata prema. Janmagata means spontaneous from the prem manifested in their heart when they took birth from the womb of the mother. Because they are Nitya eternal parikar, eternal association of Krishna. Understand this? But here Jiva Goswami Padak said this, but this is called Bhauma Leela. When gopis, their prem manifest in his heart. Then Jiva Goswami Padak explained, when Mother Jasoda, she bind to Krishna with the rope, and that time Krishna very upset and also helpless, hopeless and helpless. You know, Dambandha Leela, sometimes Mother Jasoda, she bind to Krishna and with the rope, with what is called grinding mortal. That is called Udukhola. Then Krishna completely hopeless and helpless. Because Krishna cannot to open that the what is called knot. Then Krishna's tears rolling down, and Krishna bring this Leela as like ordinary small baby. And though is Bhagavan, doing this. At that time, gopis, small gopis, they also noticed to Krishna. That time they are so much, they are, what is called? What coming there from the? Compassion coming from their heart. And compassion coming from their heart. How Krishna is very hopeless and helpless and shedding tears. So our Jiva Goswami Pad in Sandarbha explain, actually when Mother Jasoda bind to Krishna with the rope, Dambandha Leela, and that day gopis prem manifested in their heart towards Krishna. Understand? What did he say?
Actually, gopis, they saw the prem, their love is eternal, but according to Bhauma Leela, pastimes in this world, like a human being, Jiva Goswami explains that the day they started loving Krishna was the day they saw him bound to the grinding mortar by Mother Yashoda, because he was completely helpless, and they felt compassion towards him and started loving him.
So try to understand this. So I also explained Gopi, the prem manifested from three ways: Darshan Jata, Shravan Jata, and Janma Jata, or Sahajata. And Sahaj means spontaneous. Sahaja Gopi prem nahe kabhu kam. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Sahaja Gopi prem. Sahaj means is not artificial, not in others' religion also. That is called spontaneous. In this material world, mothers love and affection with their babies. Some reason. What? What the reason? I gave birth my baby. Dear, mother, she loves her baby. Why? This is mine. Mother, she loves the other's baby, not her own level. Same own baby. You have one son. You love your son, this is true. Or your neighbor's baby. You also love, but not same. Must be your son higher. Love of son you higher. This is true. Because this some reason is coming. Mother Jasoda, she loves to Krishna. Why? Because Samandha. This is Samandha. Samandha, what Samandha? Relationship with mother and baby, son. As gopis, they love to, their gopis, They love to Krishna. What the reason? What the relationship? Nothing. Huh? Understand? They have a lot of spontaneous. For this regard, Jiva Goswami Pad explain two kinds of prema. One is called Sambandhatmika, another is called Kamatmika. Here, Kam means transcendental divine love. And do you understand this? Though Premaiva Gopanam Ramanam Kamiva Mittavedhyate, Gopis love and lust is same. They are not different. But here it is, the Gopis prema is Sahabi Gopi. So now coming is this way. Now I am coming my subject matter. Just I make the platform. Because if you know these things, how possible to understand this? These are things. In this material world, the young girls, when they start to love to young boy, do you know or not? Very difficult to understand for you because mentality difference. But have to positive mood, positive mentality. Kali Yuga mostly also are. Our mentality was negative mentalities. You understand? Nakartmak, negative. But in transcendental world and everything, actually that is called positive. You understand? Positive is what? No lust, not anything, spontaneous. When love coming? When they are about to going to Sthi Dharma, that time love is going to others. This is the positive, savik. This is the nature of this. Before they are love to others, that is called the unnatural. You understand these things? And that time parents they realize. This is the nature. So now coming in this, but gopis they have no these types of activities. Gopis they have no Sri Dharma, not nothing. Because their body is transcendental, aprakita. So how possible the Sri Dharma will come? Understand or not? No need to understand, but listen. Gopis is not these things. Gopis they are manual. But because they are prem, that is called spontaneous, love and affection. No any kinds of their sense gratifications. You understand these things? The spontaneous these things. So now coming in this way, the actual Sukadeva Goswami Pad want to speak this katha. But before this katha, Sukadeva Goswami Pad spoke about Gopis Viraha katha. Maybe a question will come. Without meeting, how possible Viraha will come? Meeting, then you feel separation. If you never meet someone, how possible you will feel separation? You have no boyfriend and girlfriend. You feel? Nothing. Who is crying and who is dying? Nothing. This is true or not? If you have, then you will feel separation. Understand? What is saying? What is my? Namo Radha. Namo Radhika. Namo. Sometimes jokes, And this is true also. Who have no girlfriend, no boyfriend, nothing. Who is going, who is coming, mind also anxiety, anxiousness. Who has no boyfriend, no girlfriend, his mind never disturbed. Or if you have, then only thinking. Maybe she loves another boy or not. Maybe he loves another boy. As a mind disturbed or not? Yes. Actually, gopi is not these things, nothing. But they are praying only one point with Krishna. Gopi, they did not love any other male person except Krishna. This is it. So now coming in this way, when the parents told to them, now you are boy, young boy, or now you are young girls, not mixed together. That time they felt pang of separation from Krishna, not other sakhas. Because why I'm saying? Because I told gopis, they are all their mood is yours, everything is yours. Only one pointed with Krishna. For this regard, they are feeling separation. They are not feeling separation from Subal, Sridham, Madhumangal, etc. Nothing. But all the gopis, young girls, they felt pang of separation from Krishna. These things. So for this regard, according to the Bhauma Lila, human being Lila, they cannot direct meet with Krishna. For this regard, now they are in their house. And with their own groups of the Sakhis. All gopis are not mixing together. Different gopis, there are different groups also there. Here Sukadeva Goswami Pad also describe these things. Different groups, different mood of the gopis. They are staying there. And now they describe Krishna's all Lila Katha, Krishna's beauty, pastimes. But before this Katha, Sukadeva Goswami Pad again explain the circumstance. Before I told, if you speak any Katha, need four things again: Des, Kal, Patra and Sthan. Now Gopi, the Sukadeva Goswami explain what Katha? Now, Sarad Ritu Katha. Sarad Ritu Varnan. That means Sukadeva Goswami Pad described in Vrindavan's autumn season, Sarat. So saying the Ittang Saradam Satcha Jalang Padmakaram Sugandhina. Ittang Saradam. When the autumn season coming, then automatically you are everything, everybody's heart completely are neat and clean and overjoyed. So saying Ittang Saradam. Shlok the first slok of Benugit. Ittang Saradam Satcha Jalang Padmakaram Sugandhina. Not here? Then when Saratkal autumn season coming, and everybody's heart automatically what? Over the neat and clean. And rainy season, understand? India 6 seasons are coming. There are six seasons. And that is called summer, and very hot. Then after summer season, then rainy season coming. 2 months rain, maybe 3-4 days, and sometimes 15 days continue rain, no stop. And here sometimes midnight rain came, now no rain. But sometimes in India, especially in Vrindavan or Bengal, and continue 7 days, 7 nights, whatever, drizzling. Sometimes very heavy rain, or sometimes Ittam Sukavacho Ittam Saradam Satcha Jalang Padmakaram Sugandhina. This slokas, first slok. I am saying this because and when the rainy season, everybody's mind also disturbed. Because you cannot go out from your house. You cannot open your shop. You cannot transaction any money. Money is honey, better than sunny. This is it, brother. Now coronavirus, Sarkar also lockdown. People cannot open their shop, and no buyer, no seller. So how they maintain their life? Everybody mind disturbed. And economic completely what? Broken, lockdown, head down completely. This is what? Everybody's mind disturbed. You cannot go out from your house. Sometimes in India, very strict. When we were staying in Mathura, in the beginning, and police everywhere as like curfew jari. And as I just I heard from the devotees of Holland, there was curfew jari. Curfew, you understand? Curfew jari. And curfew. And two people cannot meet together. In the and very strict. And everywhere see the police with their on their gun. And if you break the law, they will be shot. Is that right? So everybody's mind disturbed or not? So in the same way, when 7 days but 20 days continue rain, how long will you sit in your house? Understand? Mind disturbed or not? Oh, very difficult for me also. No Harikatha, no devotee is not coming. Speak Harikatha to whom? Nobody there. Internet or taking internet. Who is listening or not? Sometimes giving just Zoom Harikatha, but nobody there who is open what is called computer listening or not listening. So mind disturbed or not? Even I am sadhu. I mind disturbed. Oh, I cannot speak Harikatha. Nobody is there. And you cannot speak Harikatha only the 4 walls. Need is what? Devotee. Now Mangalarti, you are 50 and 70 devotees, then I very nice. This is why I am saying it is. This is called need also. So Sukadeva Goswami Pad, after summer season, then he described about rainy season. Summer season very hot, rainy season cool coming, but continue rain. And all the water completely are muddy. Understand? Muddy, understand? Yeah. That means is what? Sadhak heart full of anarthas. They are not qualified to practice proper way to devotional service to Lord. But when then Sukadeva Goswami Pad explained what is called Grishma Varsha Sharat. Sharat means autumn season coming. Autumn season very nice. Not and always rain. Maybe after 3-4 days, 7 days, and little bit rain coming, and sometimes cloudy, sometimes rays of sun coming, and not too hot or not too cold. That is called autumn season. And the water of the pond now neat and clean also. Because not too much rain, so no, all the mud going to bottom. And water of the pond completely what? Crystal. As like blue water. And many kinds of flowers blossom, especially lotus, that is Padma, lotus blossom. When lotus blossom, then the black bee coming, humming. Around it. This is how I am saying, because this is called, so for this regard, first slok of Venugit, Sukadeva Goswami Pad explained, this is called Uddipan Vibhag, stimulation. So saying, Ittang Saradang Satchajalang Padmakaram Sugandhina. And the sweet fragrance also, everybody's heart overjoyed. When lotus blossom, and everybody's heart overjoyed. These things. That means as compared with sadhaka. When sadhaka do bhajan and sadhan associate with high class exalted sadhu guru, then slowly his anarthas going down. If you not committed offense, lotus feet of Guru and Vaishnava, then slowly your heart will be neat and clean. Three kinds of bhakti: sadhana bhakti, bhav bhakti, and prema bhakti. You understand? Sadhana bhakti is two leaves coming. One is called Klesagni, another is called Subhada. Klesagni, all kinds of distress will be disappear step by step. Klesagni, avidya, asmita, rag, desh, abhinivesh. This is slowly. Avidya, asmita, rag, desh, abhinivesh. Pap, beach, everything you are destroyed. Even your desire will not commit, perform any sinful activity. पाप कर्म में रुचि भी नहीं हुआ. पुण्य और simultaneously subhada means all kinds of auspiciousness qualities will manifest in your heart. Subha means auspiciousness. Da means will come while you get. All kinds of auspiciousness will come. That means all kinds of good qualification will come. Bad things remove from your heart and good things will come. Or the good things will come. Sattva, Saucha, Pavitra. Sattva means always will be truthfulness. Saucha, cleanliness. Always neat and clean. Nice dress. Understand? Sai Maharaj he told, always will be gentleman. Not stupid nonsense. Sai Maharaj is very strict. Bhaktivinoda Sai Maharaj is strict in the West. Because that time many hippies, dreadlocks, maybe 3-4 days, 1 month they are not taking bath. Bad smell coming. They are not allowed to enter in the bus also because and the stool pregnant is coming. Chalo. I am saying this is the truth. Sattva, Saucha, Pavitra. Pavitra means purity. Understand? Every day. Clean. Understand? Not take the toilet paper and finish. After going to toilet, you have to clean, wash with water and soap and take bath. Sai Maharaj told this. This is very important. You understand? Pavitra, so saying Sattva, Saucha, Pavitra. This thing. All good qualification will come. And if you perform bhakti, then this sadgun will come. Neat and clean. No duplicity, no hypocrisy. Gurudev. Hey! Gurudev, everything belongs to you, or lotus feet are mine. No, this is the duplicity. Duplicity and hypocrisy, no. You have to give everything to Gurudev. Why not? Manusya. Sattva, Saucha, Daya, Pavitra, Asya. Daya means compassion to the others. What is the best compassion? Jive Daya. Jive Daya means preach holy names to everybody. Oh, how the conditioned soul, they are suffering 3 folds of Maya. Tell, oh, my brother, sister, chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. Understand? This is called compassion. Kabe habe bolo sedino amar aparadho chhadi suddha name ruchi kripa bole habe hridaye sanchar. Kabe habe bolo sedino amar aparadho chhadi suddha name ruchi kripa bole habe hridaye sanchar. Amani Manad, Amani Manada. This song also there. When that day will come, I will chant holy names. Kabe holo sedino amar aparadha chhadi, give up all kinds of offenses. And criticize to Guru Vaishnava. Give up all this. হ্যাঁ সে ভক্তিনাথ ঠাকুর কবে হবে বলো সেদিন আমার অপরাধ ছাড়ি শুদ্ধ নামে রুচি কৃপা বলে হবে হৃদয় তিনাধিকহীন কবে নিজ মানি সহিষ্ণুতা গুণ হৃদয়েতে আনি সকলে মানদ আপনি অমানি হয় আশা দিব নামর সার ধন জন আর কবিতা সুন্দরী বলিব না চাহি দেহ সুখ করি জন্মে জন্মে দাও ওহে গৌর হরি অহেতুকি ভক্তি চরণে তোমার very nice song কবে হবে বলো সে নিতে দেব at the time I will say that I do not want the bodily pleasure associated with wealth and followers praise beautiful women you want not Gaura Hari birth oh my Gaura Hari birth after birth give me selfishness and devotion to your lotus feet. That's this. So Klesagni and Subhada, all good qualifications. Subhada means all good qualifications. Klesagni, Subhada. Then second stage, Moksha Logutakrit and Sudurlabha. That time you don't want to Mukti. The Mukti is insignificant one. Then Moksha Logutakrit Sudurlabha. The bhakti is very, very rare. Sahasra sadhana koi Hari bhakti Sudurlabha. Krishna not so easy to give Suddha bhakti. And bhakti mukti diya tare prem dhan rakhan lukaya. Krishna is very tricky. First he will give material things. Take this. He will hide Suddha bhakti. But he will tell, no, I want Suddha bhakti. Then Krishna will give. So now, for this regard, here is called, what is called? Sudurlabha. Then third stage, Prema Bhaktis. Then again two lips manifested. What is that? Sandhatma, Visayatma or Krishna Akarshani Chasa. Prem is very condensed. And Krishna automatically what? Attracted with your Madhurja Prema. Krishna will be chasing behind you. Is there any time you will say, Krishna, go. Madhava, Madhava, Jahi, Madhava, Mavada Kaitava. Hey Madhav, get out here. Madhava, Mavada Kaitava. Don't tell your cheating words. I know you are big cheater. But Krishna will be fold his hands. Hey Gopis, please give shelter to lotus. And Krishna will be chasing behind you. Balo Vrindavan Vyad. So now coming in this way, Klesagni, Subhada, then Moksha Logutakrit or Sudurlabha, then Sandhatma, Visayatma or Krishna Akarshana. That's your stage of Prema. Sadhan, Bhav and Prem. Understand this? Why? Because yes, Sukadeva Goswami Pad actually explained this Katha. And in this way, he explains, glorify about the different season. And summer season. Then I explain what season? Rainy season. Varsakal. Then explain, now coming, which season? Autumn season. Autumn season. So saying the Ittam Sar. And in this way, Gopis' heart is neat and clean. Gopis, they want to meet with Krishna. But they cannot. Because they are Guru Jana. They are parents. Stop to them. Freely meet with Krishna. But they are staying in their house with their own group, then with their transcendental vision. And they glorify about Krishna. And how Krishna is now going to herding the cows. Gopis are staying in their house, and but with their transcendental vision, antar darshan. What is this? How Krishna is herding the cows with his friends, Subal. So saying in the first verse is Akshnatang phalamidang na parang vidam. Actually, this verse quoted by Srimati Radhika. Understand? What is the fruit of our eyes? आंखों की फल क्या है? Take darshan to Govinda. So saying, Akshnatang phalamidang na parang vidam. If you not take darshan to Govinda, then eyes is what? Useless. So for this regard, all our acharyas explain, first you take darshan to whom? Govinda darshan. Have to come Mangalarti. Understand? You have to attain Mangalarti. Mangalarti take darshan to Govinda darshan. Understand? So what is Akshnatang phalamidam na parang vidam sakkhan pasuna. And then Krishna, and he used to go herding the cows with his friends. And that time Krishna form is very beautiful. Barha pidang natabrabopu karno kornikarang vibrata vaso kanakavisang vajantamalam randrano veno radhasuran puranam gopavrindai bindaranang sapadaраmanang pravisata gidikirti. Barha pidang. When Krishna, he goes to herding the cows with his friends. That time Krishna is a three-band-fold, Tribhangalarit. And Kiba chuda sire, Kiba bangsi kare, Kiba se Tribhangatam. Bhaktivinoda Thakur in Bengali song. Kiba chuda sire. How is it beautiful? Peacock feather on his turban. Kiba chuda sire, Kiba bangsi kare. And Krishna holds the flute on his hand. And the flute touch his lips, upper lips and lower lips. That is called Adhara Ushtha. Adhara Ushtha. Understand? Upper lips and lower lips. That is called Adhara Ushtha. And Gopis, they are thinking this. The Krishna's lips was very soft. Bimbadharam. Bimba phala. Bimba phala means one kind of fruits. When ripened, very soft. Ripened and reddish color. And very soft. So in the same way, Krishna's lips, very soft. Bimbadhara adharashta. And on the middle, flute. Flutes are staying in the middle of Krishna's upper lips and lower lips. That time Gopis, they also glorified the fortune of the flute. So look how these flute are very great fortune. Krishna's these two lips, Adharashta, as like very nice, beautiful and soft pillow. Understand? This is the mood of the Gopis. And when king, he sits on his throne, Singhasana, Ratna Singhasana. That time through side, very nice, beautiful, soft pillow. So now if they are comparing, Gopis comparing Krishna's two lips, that is called Adharashta, is like a very nice, beautiful, soft pillow. You are sleeping with pillow or not? How many pillows have you? 4. One your head, another your feet, and another 2 sides. Understand? Those who are very, what is called? Rich man. Understand? They have, when they are sleeping, very nice, beautiful, soft bed. Understand? If you go to the, what is called? These types of hotel, and one night you have to spend $10,000. You cannot believe. Huh? One night. The bed is also very nice. Huh? Understand? I forget their name also this. Huh? Huh? What is it called? Water floating bed. Huh? Huh? Air floating bed. Huh? Huh? You heard this name or not? Only maybe name of the king size bed. This is now ancient. Chalo. Nothing. Nowadays modern $10,000 only one night. One night means is what? And how many hours? 12 hours. And understand this? And 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. 6 a.m. kicked out. Chalo. Then again $10,000. And the name also, bed name is also this way. And water floating bed. Air floating bed. Different. Outside. Just I also say, why the gopis also saying this way? The Krishna's two lips is as like very soft. Or now Bangsi flute is as like Rajadhiraj Maharaj, great king. Not only this, fruit also served with Krishna's two eyes. Because Krishna's this eyes is eyelids, as like fanning. When king sits on his singhasan, then two maid servant and taking the fan. Understand this? Understand? Very softly and gently. In the same way, the flute of Govinda Benu, how is as like a king, very rich king, not only, and sitting, very nice, beautiful, soft pillows, yeah, and also Krishna's what is called eyelids up and down. That means that the fanning. Benu is very happy. Okay. Not only this, sometimes Benu is saying, "Hey Krishna, I am very tired." Well, what happened? What do you do? Massage my feet. Actually, this is the mood of the gopis. Benu saying or not, but in this verse is saying. What is saying? Benu says, "Hey Krishna, what will you do? How can I serve you? Hey, massage my feet." Then Krishna with his very soft and gentle fingers and massaging. Massaging or not? Benu he has or not, but this is the mood of gopis. So gopis they glorify to Benu. And sometimes they are very jealousy with Benu also. Understand? That is called Sapatna Bhav. Sapatna Bhav, understand? Co-wife mood. And if one person, two wives, very difficult or not? And as like Uttanpad and King Uttapan, two wives. What is it called? Suruchi and Suniti. Co-wife. In the same way, sometimes gopis, they also very angry, jealousy, enviousness with Benu. Are Benu? You are male person. How possible you to rising the what is called? And our beloved Krishna's what is called? Adharamritam. Adharamritam. Nectar of his lips. For this regard, they also criticize you. Benu, Kusalosma Benu. Hey Benu, tell to me, what is your previous past activities? We want to know. Sometimes they are very humble. This, so saying this. Now coming this. When Krishna goes to herding the cows with his friend. Then Srimati Radhika describes Barla Pidam Nadabrabopu Karnu Karnikaram Vibrata Vasu Kanakavisam Bajantamalam Randran Vena Radha Sudaya Purana Gopavindai Bindaranang Sabadaravanang Pravisata Giti Kirti. When Krishna he used to go herding the cows with his friends in Vrindavan. Then so many footprints on the dust of Vrindavan. And how do you know this is Krishna's footprints? Maybe your footprints you can say. Huh? How do you know this is the footprints of Krishna? How do you know? Voila. They are the 19 sign marks are there. Daj, Vajra, Ankush. And that time all the demigod headed by Brahma, Shiva used to come in Vrindavan. They offering flowers and doing stavasati. Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. Brahmaji is taking flowers and offering that footprints. Briddhakai. Briddhakai means Brahmaji. Brahmaji, he worshipped the footprints of Krishna, Govinda. So this thing. And whole Vrindavan very nicely decorate with Krishna's footprints. Understand? Because Krishna's footprints also. Lakshmi's is there. Lakshmi is in the form of golden line. This is that. So saying this, Jayati te odikang janmana braja sayata indira shasha atrahi daita dikchatang dikchuta boka vaidita sava twang vichinnate saradadu dasai sadhu jatasi sarojasi jodari Sri Musadrisa Suratanatate Sulkadasika Varadhanignato Na Pratijad Bhavan Annikanan Truti Jugayate Tam Passatam Kutilakuntalang Sri Mukhanjate Jaraudrikchatwang Pakshaki Disham. Gopi Gita. Very nice. Why I am saying? Because when Krishna used to go herding the cows with his friends, then Krishna's footprints all over the Vrindavan. How is Vrindavan decorated? With Krishna's footprints. Look this. So these things. So for this regard, this condition. And Benugit, please explain this. And then one slokas and Gopis they recited. And how Benu and flute is very fortunate. And when Krishna played the flute, the Venudhani, the sound of the flute is very powerful. And cross this material world, going to heaven, Sargaloka. Prithvi Lok to Sargaloka. Understand? Where in Sargaloka, heavenly planet, very young girls, they are collecting the flowers from which tree? Parijat flowers. Or when the sound of the flute coming in there, that time that young girls of heavenly planet, they completely intoxicated. Even they cannot to control themselves. Understand? That time their hands start to shake. And all the parijat flowers falling down and coming on the head of Govinda. Valavindavan Vyari. This thing was. And Bilamangal Thakur, Krishna Karnamrit Granth, very nicely explained this. So sweet katha is there. They have the sound of the fruit of Govinda. Govinda Venudda. And then not only the heavenly planet going, all the demigod and demigoddess, their body is completely what? Intoxicated, transcendental lustness. Or the slok? That time what demigoddess, they also seated on their what is called? Viman or their chariot. But when they came, that time they cannot control to themselves. Demigod, they fainted. Then demigoddess, Divya, Dibba Vimana Gatayo Anusarnamana. That time they also completely intoxicated with the transcendental life. Then finally they fainted. Because Govinda Darshan, want to take darshan to Govinda, what kinds of prem will come, who can glorify this? So saying this, Nabdas tada tadupadhajam mukunda geetam. When Krishna played the flute, then the stream of the water of the river cannot flow in with it. Up should down. But that time, water cannot go to the down. And the water of the river have to go down to meet with ocean. But that time, the stream of the water, river, not going to ocean. And they are also only making the, what is called, whirlpool. And because Govinda darshan. And take darshan Govinda, how possible they will go? And Naddas tada tadupadharja mukunda geetam. And Krishna, how is it possible? And these things. And peacock peahen, then tip of the Giriraj Govardhan. And when Krishna played the flute, Govinda Benuddhani, that time peacock peahen, then coming down on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. And they spread their tails and start to dance. Then, or this look? Vrindavanang sakhi vivo bhuvo vitanoti kirting jad devagisuto padabja labda lakshmi govinda benunumatta mayura nittam prikshadi sanna bharatanna samasta sattam. Govisto. Look how beautiful Vrindavan. Vrindavan completely neat and clean, Sattvic mood. Only the sound of peacock peahen, ke ka, cuckoo birds, kokilet dhani. Very nice, beautiful. Jamuna Devi sees flowing. Kal, this way. And calm and quiet place. Only the milkmen, they are milking the cows. Jim, sound is coming. That's your Godugdha. What is it called? They also milking the cows and sound. Sometimes cows making the sound, hamba. Very nice, beautiful calves, they are running here and there. This was saying, Vrindavan Vitanati Kirting, Jad Devakishita Padabja Lakshmi, Govinda Benu Unumatta Mayura Nittam, Prekshadishanna Bharatana Samasta Sattam. In this way, gopis, they glorified about Benu, that is called Benu Gita. So many kathas. Now time is over. Balo Benu Gita ki jai. Jai. Again meet with you.